Hello people, welcome to Divya's channel, Travel with Divyanu. So today you're wondering what only these many items, what am I preparing? Yes, it's a protein item. So it's going to be interesting, very quick recipe. Even on a daily basis you can have, which will help you in consistency in your weight as well as it will help you in your weight loss. As we are using main ingredient at proteins, which is paneer, which is good for your health, hair, metabolism. So we have just taken 50 grams of paneer, 1 onion, 1 tomato, big size one, and 1 big size of onion. We have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can prefer olive oil or coconut oil or any other oil based on your preference, but I would suggest, if it is for health, olive oil or coconut oil is good, so that it will help you in weight loss as well. Red chili, half tablespoon, salt based on your taste, half tablespoon, and turmeric, half tablespoon, and green chilies, 1 big green chilies, and jeera, half tablespoon. So this is how it is. And proteins which are very good for your bones, which will help you to strengthen your bones, and sugar levels. It will maintain your sugar levels, and it will improve your like any digestion issues if you have, as well as rich in very natural source of fat, but it will not give you extreme fat. It is a good fat, but it should be consumed in a proper manner, as well as it will help you in increase in your hair growth. So let's get started. Heat the tawa. Initially it shouldn't be more than medium flame. I am doing it in medium flame. So right now pan is heated up. So let's get started. First I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, not too much required based on the quantity. I am just preparing for 2 people. So if you are preparing for more number of members, based on that you can use more oil. The minimal oil is good. So oil is heated up. So what I am doing is I am just putting the jeera, half tablespoon, which we had already kept aside. Adding onion, so onion should be little bit light brown. Once the onion is getting fried, then we can add tomato. Tomato should be finely chopped. You're seeing it started getting fried nicely. The aroma starts coming out. This is done. I'm pouring in tomato. take maximum 2 to 3 minutes. You need to keep stirring or else it will get burnt. The taste will change. Or you can cover the lid and also cook in the very low flame. So as many people were having difficulty with regional languages, so I'll be doing regional language as well as I'll keep the subtitles going forward so that it will help everybody to understand. So tomato, you know the benefits as well as onion. Onion is very good for your hair, eyes, everything. So even tomato wise, which will help you in digestion. And we are not taking the extreme quantity, we are taking the minimal quantity for a person. So healthy breakfast this will be served with the brown bread toasted with a small quantity of butter. So now you are able to see the color change as well as the texture is being changing. Now you need to add the green chilies. Green chilies can be added in the initial or now as too much taste wise. It will be good after tomato, so I have added right now green chilies. So now we can add turmeric. Half tablespoon. Turmeric is very good for your health. Let it be fever, cold, cough. It will help you to reduce as well as it's good for your metabolism. You are able to see already the texture as well as color is changing. So next I am adding red chili powder. Half tablespoon of red chili powder. Already we have used one large size of green chili, so this is more than enough. We don't need to keep too spicy breakfast. This we recommend for breakfast. Even you can consume it for evening snacks as healthier you feel. So once the taste as well as color keep changing, you can add paneer. Just one more minute max. This breakfast, if you have all vegetable chopped, it will be done in maximum 10 minutes. The faster you have all the ingredients ready, the faster can be prepared. You can add more vegetables as well, but to keep this as simple breakfast, so I have just added tomato and onion. It's up to you. If you want, you can add more vegetables. More cooking time required. So I'm making it for working men and women as well as parent side who have other works as well in this lockdown. They need to do work from home. So this will help you in that way. Very healthy breakfast. Even kids will love this because it will be like a burji where you will have it for breakfast or evening snacks or even heavy lunch if you add more vegetables for this. So now comes the salt. Salt I have taken based on the necessity, based on the spice I have added. So half tablespoon I have preferred. You can have more or less based on your spice requirement. So this takes another 1 to 2 minutes. Even tomato paste but not puree. ready-made packed purees, because the kind of nutrition value will be reduced. I would suggest have a chopped onions as well as tomato instead of any packed items. I'm not using any preservatives, so it's a healthy way even for kids and adults or elderly people. For elderly people, if you prefer, you can chop it still minutely. The more minute, the faster digestion and as well as faster cooking. So this, I'm almost done, another 1 minute max. So you saw the consistency now. It's not too dry, not too gravy. So it's now ready to off. So we are using brown bread. Brown bread we would suggest because it's high in fiber. It helps you in reducing constipation. It also avoids the risk of cancer. It's very good, healthy for diabetes patients. It also helps you in digestion. It avoids gaining weight. It also reduces the sugar level. If you have maintained the sugar level, this is also an add-on. Prefer at least every alternative day. Maybe you will not be able to have daily bread if you can't. So at least try to have at least thrice a week bread, brown bread especially, which is very good. Multigrain bread as well. Both are very healthy. So our paneer bhurji can be taken along with roti or bread. Bread right now I'm using it as for breakfast ingredient. So you can use this like that, as well as even with roti, jowar roti or manjra ki roti, or whichever your preference, or normal roti as well, homemade rotis, whichever. So I'm just using a very small amount of butter on this. Butter is very good for your health, which helps you to maintain your calories, but taken in a proper amount. Not too excessive usage should be done. So only this much lighter amount of butter I have taken, just for the taste and nutritious value, not heavier. So we can have with this as well as any of your preference roti. So it's up to you, but suggested for a healthy breakfast and a low calorie wise as a weight loss, brown bread is suggested. So I hope you like my recipes. If you like, do like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I prepare something yummy or I travel. Right now due to the lockdown I'm not traveling. Once I'm back to travel, I'm going to post a lot of travel videos. Yet let's wait for and watch when it's going to start. Right now it's actually started, but I don't want to take such a high risk. With the kind of precaution, I would suggest a little more few days. Post that I'll be posting in a lot of videos. Let's hope. Let's wait. Everything is sorted. This is what the color we were expected for our brown bread. So especially for the kids, they do not prefer a lot of vegetables. So this will help them to have a healthy food as well as good to prepare faster. You just need to have a chopped vegetables and paneer handy. Rest all masala items you always have it in your home handy. And even this, if you are a non-veggie or a egg eater, you can add egg along with paneer, but it will be a heavy breakfast. You can just see to the head count, like if you have more of egg, then paneer you can minimize. I'm not a egg eater, so based on that I have added paneer. So even if you are egg eater, you can use egg instead of paneer. So we are almost done. So let's get sorted. Let's get served by this. Yes, crunchy, nice buttery brown bread is ready to serve. So we're gonna have yummy, tasty, healthy breakfast today. What say, people? Shall we have? So this is our final bake as well as video for this recipe. So I hope you liked it. It's a very healthy, very less time consuming breakfast. Also very handy with vegetables, whichever it is, based on that it can be done. The more vegetables are more good for your health. So I've used coriander for as well as like to look good as well as tasty. Coriander is based on your wish. How is it? So let's get started. Have a quick bite and do share your inputs. Prepare it in your house for your kids, elders, whoever is available at your home, as well as for yourself. Tell me did you taste it? How did you feel? Was it healthy? Try to repeat this recipe for at least 2 to 3 days in a week and let me know what is the benefits you are seeing. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day as well as wonderful week. So I hope you keep enjoying your chilled out time. Take care. See ya.